In this lesson, you'll get an introduction to social bookmarking sites and how to use them for maximum SEO benefit. What are social bookmarking sites? Well, social bookmarking sites, or tagging sites, are a way to store your favourite links online, usually publicly, hence the word social. This type of site is the epitome of Web 2.0 and has become very popular, as it's a great way for people to find new websites that they might otherwise never come across. For internet marketers, social bookmarking sites are an excellent way of driving traffic to your website or blog. There are two ways in which social bookmarking sites benefit marketers. They have high Google PageRank, meaning that they're fantastic sites to get linking to your websites for SEO purposes. Most people are turning to them to find the resources that they're looking for. Once you add your sites and other people start to find them and like them, they'll add some or all of your links to their list, and this can mean big traffic. For example, DotCom is the 89th most visited site on the web, meaning tens of thousands of people are going there every single day. Social bookmarking sites are very simple to use. All you need to do is register and start adding your favourite links to your list. On registration, most bookmarking sites require you to download a toolbar that goes onto your browser and provides shortcuts. The first sites you add to your bookmarks will be all your personal web pages and blog posts. Don't simply bookmark your homepage and leave it at that. Leverage these resources to the max by adding all your pages for the world to see. Bookmarking networks. When you have added a good selection of websites and blogs to your bookmarks, you might want to consider forming a bookmarking network, perhaps via the contacts you've made from social networking. A bookmarking network is a group of 10 or so people who decide to collaborate on driving traffic to bookmarking each other's websites using the top social networking sites. This will increase the chances of other people finding your sites and adding your sites to their own lists. Pretty soon you'll have lots of people checking out your site, joining your mailing list, and even buying products through your affiliate links. And time for today's lesson summary. In this lesson, we've taken a quick look at how you can use social bookmarking sites to drive traffic to your website or blogs. We took a look at why you would want to use social bookmarking sites, as well as a brief glance at the idea of using bookmarking networks. Anyway, that's all we've got time for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.